Hey everybody, I'm just putting the finishing touches on my 2024 Triton here, getting ready to kick the walleye season off on Lake Erie for the National Walleye Tour. As I was starting to install my rod holders, I realized that every single walleye boat that I've ever owned has had a fish-on rod holder. I love the product. It's super easy to install. There's a variety of different ways that you can install them. But one of the things I really like about the rod holders is they're very quiet. When you're slipping a rod in or pulling a rod out, they're very quiet. The material that they're made out of is very friendly to your rods. Our equipment is very expensive now, so I like the way that the rod holders actually protect my equipment as well. But what I'm doing right now is I'm installing the rail mount adapters. I usually put 4 on each side of the boat, and inside of this kit there's a little piece of plastic that you actually want to wrap on the rail. And what that does is it keeps the rod holder from shifting at all. So I'm going to wrap that piece on there, and then I'm going to follow that up with the actual base itself, and then the back side of the rod holder. But before I do that, I want to show you just a little pro tip that I like to use, and that is something that I think is very important. I just take a little bit of marine grease on each screw. They're stainless steel screws and the nuts are stainless steel. I just apply just a little bit before I torque those rod holders down, and what that does is it prevents any sort of galling that can occur, and it really makes the whole installation process go a lot easier. But love my fish on rod holders. It's a little tip for you. I'm going to keep installing.